What's going on, YouTube? Getting back at you guys. My throat. Back with you guys on another great video. Today we're just hanging out, doing what we usually do. So yeah, guys. Why you turn off your car? You ain't trying to waste gas. That's crazy.
Get off so you can take preview.
Exactly. Where he going? Where he going?
Nothing says summer like summertime like a Nissan Altima full of posters. On the way to somewhere.
But we're about to finna go soon. We're waiting on real Timmy to get here. So yeah.
Copyright. To Cafe Hot Time Sunday. Sunday, I'll go. Huh?
I got it.
I'm on my fucking 240. They depend. If I go to Moreland Saturday night, they still yeah, I might be working. I'll be off Saturday.
Bro, you got another car doing something.
I'll be working Saturday too. At Infinity.
At Infinity.
Where you working now? They need to give me a discount on that transmission fluid.
So, how early can I start getting this? Dang, bro. We do gotta do that transmission fluid. Y'all wanna go in the house?
I miss 50 years. No, we want to go to the hospital. I miss my.
We know that. We know.
I couldn't keep up because I don't have 50 years. No.
Bro. Hey, it's not focusing, bro. You got a fat head, bro. Come on now. Hey, patients are sleeping. Okay. You upset, bro? This is crazy. Hey, what happened to green key?
Camera straight.
Oh, yeah, my bad. Just hello.
Yeah, we seen. No, it was a fake one. It was a fake type R. We was going to the meet. But the new lease is starting to drive by. They drive by themselves, just like the Tesla.
Like you cut your cut it out. I'm not trying to do anything.
I don't really care about that self driving. I don't need no self driving.
So close.
What are you doing? She got kicked out.
Hey, you
Yep. Come on, bro. I don't want to be up here. I'm hungry.
Oh, Trina, you're buying us everyone something to eat.
Whoa, that's crazy.
Zach's not showing you everyone.
Whoa, that's really crazy. What card? What?
I hate it, Zach. Right.
Bro.
It's a ramp. I'll get anything right there.
Whoa. Whoa. This thing fine. Test. Why are all these Toyota Camrys out here? Oh my. Toyota Camry. Oh, stick too. Wow. That's fine.
Y'all are in that
That's what we do. Hey, look at all these Toyotas.
He drives this.
Yeah. Toyota. It's tiny still specs. park right here. Watch. Next to this freaking ass shit. Watch.
My ears?
See that flame?
Yeah, I did.
That's the flame. You seen it? I didn't. Oh, you turned it off. That could be you, Justin.
I'm gonna put y'all on. Because I know I always do stuff like that.
Thanks, Dad.
I put Terrence in.
Thanks, Dad. I'm gonna eat this. It's kind of mild. Alright guys, we just finished eating. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Also, I'm gonna say thanks for watching. Come back for the next episode. Peace out. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that other extra baha stuff. Peace.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and